Chapter 4: Marketing Information System. Marketing Information System is a continuing and interacting structure of people, equipment, and procedures to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute pertinent, timely, and accurate information for use by marketing decision makers to improve their marketing planning, implementation, and control. Marketing Information System has four important components: internal report system, marketing intelligence system, marketing research system, and analytical marketing system. The important components of the internal reports systems are reports on order receipt, product delivery, billing, and collection. Marketing intelligence is usually acquired from trade publications, books, newspapers, customers, suppliers, distributors, company personnel, and professional agencies. Marketing research. Marketing research is the systematic design, collection, analysis, and reporting of data and findings relevant to a specific marketing situation facing the company. The scope of marketing research is determination of market characteristics, measurement of market potential, market share analysis, sales analysis, studies of business trends, short-range forecasting, competitive product studies, long-range forecasting, pricing studies, and testing of existing products. The market research process has 5 important steps: defining the problem and research objectives, developing the research plan, collecting the information, analyzing the information, and presenting the findings. The source of data for market research can be classified in 2 categories: secondary sources and primary data. The secondary sources of data are in-company statements and reports, government statistical survey publications, periodicals and books, and commercially available data from agencies. Primary data can be obtained through observational research, focus group research, survey research, and experimental research. Observational research. Observational research is done by observing relevant actors and settings. Focus group research. 6 to 10 persons are interviewed by a skilled interviewer for a few hours. Focused discussions are generated. Survey research. A large number of respondents are surveyed to determine their knowledge, beliefs, preferences, and satisfactions. Experimental research. 2 similar groups of respondents are formed. One group, called the test group, is subjected to a certain treatment. The other group, called the control group, is not subjected to the treatment. The responses of the 2 groups are compared to see if the treatment made a statistically significant difference. Market research instruments. The questionnaire is a common tool for marketing research. Mechanical instruments like galvanometers, eye cameras, etc. are also used. Analytical marketing system. Numerical data stored in computer databases are subjected to statistical analysis. Results from this analysis is used to make